Hi,
Hello,
I'm Era,
I'm Olan.
and we are
Disbanded!
This song is dedicated to Eunice, JK, Lauren, and Micah.
This song is entitled Payphone by Maroon 5. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm on the payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are those times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? All those times that we wasted, all of our bridges turned down. You wasted my time, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when I thought it's love, but even the sun sets in paradise. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm on the payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Why are those times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are those plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Cause I'm on the payphone.
Yes! Tapos na ako, ito ba yan?
Ayun na yun. Sure na to. Yeah!